Today I'm going to address a really common question. How can you automatically copy or forward messages from private Telegram channels or bots, especially when you don't have an invite link? By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what's possible, but also what's ethical, and honestly what's safest for your own privacy and accounts. Let's dive in. First, I want to be upfront. I cannot show you a method for auto-forwarding messages from private Telegram channels or bots if you don't have authorization or a direct invite. Here, why. Accessing private channels requires explicit permission from the administrator. Think of it like trying to get into a locked room. You need the key, and that key is permission. These restrictions exist for a reason. They protect users' privacy and allow channel owners to control the flow of their own content. If you're wondering, but isn't there a hack or trick? Trust me, it's tempting to look for shortcuts, but bypassing Telegram's administrative controls violates their terms of service, which you agreed to when you signed up. It's not just about avoiding a ban. It's about respecting the privacy and trust of the people or groups behind those channels and bots. Imagine you run a private group for your business or family. Would you want anyone just grabbing messages automatically without your say-so? Probably not, so let's talk about what you can do legitimately. If you're an admin of a channel or you're working directly with the owner, there are genuine ways to manage and forward content. For instance, as an admin, you can use Telegram's bot API to set up a forwarding bot. These bots are handy tools for automating content flow. They can copy or distribute messages, but only because you have administrative permission. It's sort of like using an office copier. If you have the keys to the room, you're allowed to use it. Setting up a bot can take a little bit of technical know-how, but there are plenty of services out there that can guide you through connecting your channel and creating the flow you want. Now, maybe you're not an admin, but you're working with one. Here's another legitimate route. If the channel owner or administrator decides that they want specific content to be more shareable, they can go into their settings and lift content restrictions. This enables forwarding for messages in their channel. Again, this only happens with explicit permission. It puts control firmly in their hands, which is where it should be. It's also important to know that, as of now, there's no built-in feature in the official Telegram app or its web client that lets you auto-forward messages from a private channel, unless you own that channel or have been officially granted permission to distribute those messages. Sometimes people stumble onto third-party tools or scripts promising otherwise, but honestly, these can put your own account at risk and often break Telegram's rules. It's not worth jeopardizing your own presence on the platform just for a shortcut. So to sum it up, respecting privacy and permissions isn't just about following the rules, it's about being a responsible member of online communities. If you're looking to manage or share content from a Telegram channel, make sure you have the right permissions and work with official bots and tools approved by the platform. If this helped clear things up, give this video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or circumstances I haven't covered, definitely drop a comment below. I check those regularly and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.